There is strength in numbers. Once upon a time, there was a flock of doves that flew far away from their home in search of food. They soon grew tired and hungry and wanted to stop. The Dove King urged them to continue to fly. Come, little ones. I'm sure that we will find food soon if we just fly a little further. On they flew. Soon enough, they did find grain scattered in the forest below them. They all landed and began feasting on the grain. Suddenly, a net fell over them, trapping them. The doves did not know what to do. They started flapping their wings in fright. The hunter was fast approaching to collect his catch. The Dove King said to them, "I have an idea. We must work together. We shall all fly up at the same time. Carry the net with us. Remember now, unity is our only hope." The doves did as they were told. They each lifted a part of the net with their beak and flapped their wings with all their might and rose into the air. The hunter was shocked. He tried chasing the doves for a while, but soon they rose too high in the air. He stood there watching in amazement as his net flew into the air. Once they were some distance away from the forest, the Dove King said, "Half our worries are over. Now we must fly to the kingdoms of mice. My friend the Mouse King will surely help us." The doves flew to the kingdom of mice. When the mice heard the flapping noises, they thought that the hawks were coming to eat them. All the mice hid in their little mice holes. The Dove King called out to his friend, "It's me, the King of Doves. My subjects and I are in trouble. Won't you please come out and help us?" The Mouse King came rushing out when he heard that. He was very upset to see his friend in such a state.
"It will take me a very long time to free you,"
he said.
"I will call up all my subjects to help us."
All the mice set to work, gnawing at the net with their tiny teeth. Slowly, they had made small holes all over the net. The grateful doves climbed out one by one and stretched their tired wings. The doves thanked the Mouse King and his subjects for freeing them. They also thanked their king. "It's true," said the doves. "There really is strength in numbers."